This is a completely free AI background remover and generator. You don't even need to sign up with your email, it is completely free. So click get started for free. Now upload the image, select the image you want to work with. Now the background is gone, and I can, for example, select one of the preset colors here. Then I can go to adjust function and I can, well, make the image of myself bigger, smaller, I can rotate it, wrap it, and so on. And I can also edit the comments. And then you have the generate background function. So you can select the background from all of these recommended backgrounds, which are for free. So for example, let's select one of them. There you go, we have two options now, and you can download them as PNGs for free as well. There's no limit. And then we have this reference function here. So you can basically upload an image yourself that you want to be used as a reference for the background. So generate background, and now it should create two images with mountains behind me. Okay, so this is what it's created, and then you have finally the prompt function, so you can actually describe what you want to be behind you. Then type in mountains to see what it's gonna make. And there you go, I actually like this image more, to be honest. And finally, you have the ratio option, so you can also change the ratio of your image.